This is a quick tip. If your 2015 Ford Edge hood won't stay shut all the way, it's locked, but it won't stay shut. We're going to show you how to fix it real quick. And this is good for probably around 1 or 2 shuts, and you might want to spray some WD-40 on it down here. So what we're going to do is going to get a flathead screwdriver, and right here you can see that, right? So just push on it, and now it's cocked. So now you'll be able to close it, and right here will latch on. Let's give it a try. All right, so that's a quick tip. Now, if it keeps doing it and you're tired of using your screwdriver, you'll have to replace that whole mechanism. It's not a big deal. But if you're on the road and you can't get your hood shut, that's how you do it. Hope this helps. If it did, subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to fix your cars. Thanks for watching.